What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar with C-Zar Gets Crypto, and we are talking about Bitcoin Cash. Shout out to the Dragon Riders in the House of the Dragon, man. I love to see this. You guys, anybody that was in the Grayscale Trust killed it today. I mean, anybody involved with Bitcoin Cash, period, killed it today. But 38.6% with tremendous volume. Great. Good job. Great. Like, really good job. Awesome to see. That's like, congratulations. I'm getting all giddy over here. Let's talk about Bitcoin Cash, though. Same kind of reaction, right? Very positive reaction. Only about 10%, but still very sizable volume, actually. That's the most volume, you guys. Yesterday was the most volume we've seen since we, okay, not since we topped, but since around that area, nonetheless. Pretty damn close, though, huh? Most volume we've seen in a while, coming along with a very big candle as well. I do think we're on to bigger and better things. Absolutely, we could pull back from here and then continue to go higher, form a higher low and then go higher. Bitcoin Cash is anything but a straight line, man. This does not happen often. It very much does not happen often. In fact, what does happen often is this kind of stuff, right? Just like throughout its whole entire existence. So just because we have a breakout now does not mean that we have to follow through with this, but we might. Let's get into this and actually see. But don't be surprised if we get a little bit of volatility, right? And we're down 2.5% so far today. I kind of would expect that we go higher. We just broke into the overbought zone. I would think that we go higher. We have a little bit more to go. Maybe we turn around at this like 260, 270 area. We topped off so far at 256, so I would think we go a little bit higher. Top to bottom here on the fibs, finding resistance at your 1618, common, right? It's a very, very common thing. When we break above this, whenever we get past this zone, I would think that 284 is going to be a very likely target, if not $304 in itself. And then once we react positively with that, we have extensions to look forward to, and I very much do think we'll see those extensions. Looking at this on a 4-hour basis, I'm going to get rid of the fib here. Yeah. It looks like you broke out, you're holding it, you're consolidating, you're probably going to move up. Here you are on your 4-hour RSI, higher lows, higher highs. I would think you're maybe you come down a little bit more and then you go up, but I do think you have another drive into this overbought zone before you see maybe a more significant pullback, whatever that is, right? Here we are at 246. Probably going to that 786 or that 69 level in a very, very short amount of time, which would be anywhere from 265 to 284. I really like that too. I feel like we've been putting this 786 off for a while. We need to do that. We don't need to do that, but it's probably going to happen. You know, something else that we haven't done in a while is just like a straight bullish like pop like we had back here, right? We could, guys. Bitcoin Cash, it is that time of the season, guys. We could see some crazy growth in a very, very short amount of time. I do still believe that by the end of this month, we will see prices above $400, potentially even above $500. But for now, for the more immediate time frames, I would more focus on this 284 to 304 level. Let's see how we do. All in all, I like the RSI on the daily and the 4-hour, 3-hour, 2-hour. 1 hour looks good. You got hidden bullish divergence, actually. Lower lows with higher lows. And then short-term time frames, the degen time frames. Yeah, I like it. Holding that green line there. This might actually be a good buy signal. I wonder if we put this to the 123 here. Let's see. Above your 50, below your green line. Yeah. Yep. For those of you that don't know, the green line is the purple line. We just changed it to the green line because green is quicker and more efficient than purple. 1 syllable versus purple 2 syllables, right? So this is probably a really good buying opportunity. Actually, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but if you bought somewhere around here, I bet you will not be sorry. Probably a good longing opportunity. I'm not margin trading this thing. I'm just holding it until the end of the cycle. But yeah, look at this, right? On a 15-minute time frame, actually, you hold this 50 very well, very, very well. I love to see that. Anytime you got below this and you're above your 50. Prime time to buy, right? Not good here, not good. I mean, it was decent there compared to where we are now, but best time to buy was below the green line. I think we're there now. Being that this is the 15-minute time frame, we could see it develop a little bit more. It could be hours, several hours before we see this next move up. But again, the 4-hour looks the RSI is on the long term, so I'm not going to point that out. But the 4-hour to me would suggest that we're going to see another drive higher either today or tomorrow. So like it's definitely not done. I mean, not definitely, but probably not done. And that's all I got for you guys. So if you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like to see more. Shout out one more time to the Dragon Riders. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Have a good day. Good night. Bye-bye.